In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit the password page in Wix. Whether you're creating a members-only section on your website or protecting sensitive information, setting up a password is crucial. Let's dive right into the process. First, you need to head over to the Wix website editor. If you're not already logged in, enter your credentials and open your website project. The Wix editor is your go-to place for making all kinds of changes to your website, from design tweaks to functional setups like this. Once you're in the editor, direct your attention to the left-hand side menu. Here, you'll find an option labeled Pages and Menu. Click on this to reveal all the pages on your site that you can edit. Next, you'll need to select the specific page you want to password protect. Browse through your list of pages, and once you've found the correct one, look for the three dots icon that appears next to it. These dots function as a settings menu for that individual page. After clicking the three dots, a drop-down menu will appear. Among the options, you'll see Settings. Go ahead and click on it. This is where you can control a variety of page-specific settings, including password protection. Within the settings, you'll find a tab called Permissions. Click on it and it will lead you to options concerning who can access the page. This is critical for managing the accessibility of your website content, ensuring that only the intended users can view certain pages. You'll then notice an option labeled Password Holders. Click on that, leading you to a field where you can set or edit the password for the page. If you already have a password in use, you can change it here or input a new one if this is the first setup. Make sure your password is strong yet easy for your intended users to remember, combining letters, numbers, and symbols for optimal security. Finally, after entering or editing the password, remember to save your changes. You can usually do this through a Save button somewhere at the top right of the editor. This step is crucial to ensure your password settings are implemented properly. And that's it. You've successfully edited your password page on Wix. Now, whenever someone tries to access this page, they'll be prompted to enter the password you've set. This simple yet effective measure can add an extra layer of security and privacy to your website. As you continue to build and refine your site, using these settings can greatly help to manage who sees what content, enhancing your site's functionality and privacy. Thanks for watching, and happy editing with Wix!